So I've just wrapped up the final recording of a Facebook Live video inside of our exam pop-up group in Facebook. And I want to share with you one thing that I have found myself doing more and more, well, I should say less and less, in fact, actively avoiding doing with all students and parents, both in that group and in emails and my one-on-one coaching as well. Because we've had so much going on in that group. We've had open Q&A calls with me, we've had Tuesday tips days, we've shared experiences, successes along the way. Students have shared their ideas, parents have shared amazing website tips, and I've been sharing some resources and other strategies as well. But the one thing that I have actively avoided and find myself no longer doing, and genuinely trying to find other ways to write and say things to people, is I no longer wish anyone good luck. Because what I've found along the way is, and through life I suppose really, is that it's not about luck. It's about the actions we take, the things that we do, the steps and strategies and things that we put in place that get us to where we want to be. Now, just last night I was working with one of my personal coaching students. We were reviewing some of the exams that she'd had in her exam block, the papers, her amazing results that she's achieved. And one of the things she said was, oh, I'm so pleased because I went through the night before and I decided to look at a couple of extra example questions and went through the working, etc., etc. And it was so lucky because one of those questions, something very much like it, came up in the exam. And I was like, that was not luck. That was already predetermined that was going to be on that exam. That exam paper would have been written weeks and weeks in advance. What it was the fact that you made that active decision to go in and revise and review that topic or that content or that concept and actively take steps to prepare yourself in case that question came up. And it did. So I just believe more and more as time goes by that unless it's something to do with the roll of a dice maybe, or flipping a coin, but how often does that happen to us in life that has any impact on us truly, that it's not down to luck. It's about the positive steps, the proactive actions that we take, and what we do to put ourselves in a certain position that is going to lead to greater success and happiness in life. So I'd be really interested to hear your take on things. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know any experiences you've had around this. And also, quick request, what words do you use instead of saying good luck? Because I've had to get quite creative with my wording when I've been on calls with people, when I've sent emails to people, because I no longer want to say good luck to somebody going into an exam or any other significant event they have going on. So I'm Katie Price, Great Transformation Expert. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Please drop me a comment below or send me an email. And until next week, let's have a fantastic week.